Welcome to Wild Tally, your home for everything pets, animals, and the amazing world of dogs. Paw prints. If you've ever dreamed of having a dog but hate finding fur on your clothes, furniture, or car seats, this video is made just for you. Today, we're counting down the top 7 dog breeds that don't shed much, the perfect companions for clean homes, allergy sufferers, and busy people who want low-maintenance love. From playful small breeds to elegant large ones, these dogs will keep your home spotless without sacrificing cuddles or personality. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Wild Tally and tap that bell icon for more weekly pet tips, breed guides, and animal facts that every dog lover will adore. Number 7, the Poodle, Standard, Miniature, and Toy. The Poodle takes our number 7 spot, and for a good reason. Whether it's the standard, miniature, or toy version, poodles are famous for their intelligence, grace, and best of all, their non-shedding, hypoallergenic coats. Unlike most breeds, a poodle's hair grows continuously, much like human hair, which means they don't shed fur around your home. Instead, their curls trap loose hairs, which can easily be brushed out during regular grooming. This makes them a top pick for allergy sufferers and anyone who wants a clean house without constant vacuuming. Beyond their coat, poodles are known as one of the smartest dog breeds in the world. They're quick learners, eager to please, and incredibly adaptable whether you live in an apartment or a large suburban home. The standard poodle, originally bred as a water retriever, has athletic energy and loves outdoor activities, while the smaller miniature and toy versions make excellent lap companions. Their hypoallergenic coat requires consistent grooming every 4 to 6 weeks, but in exchange, you get a dog that barely sheds, smells clean, and looks stunning. Poodles are also known for their loving and gentle nature. They're great with kids, friendly with other pets, and thrive on human companionship. Their playful spirit makes them fun to train. They pick up tricks, commands, and routines faster than almost any breed. For U.S. families who want a beautiful, intelligent, and low-shedding dog, the Poodle is an unbeatable choice. Plus, they come in a rainbow of colors: black, white, apricot, silver, and more, giving you plenty of variety to match your personality. Whether you're looking for elegance, energy, or hypoallergenic comfort, the Poodle delivers all three in one curly package. Number 6, the Bichon Frise. Taking the 6th spot is the ever-charming Bichon Frise, a fluffy little cloud with a personality that's larger than life. This breed is often mistaken for a high-shedding dog because of its thick, white coat, but here's the surprise: the Bichon barely sheds at all. Their hair grows continuously and falls out so minimally that you'll hardly notice it. Plus, the loose hair gets caught in their soft curls, which means no fur on your clothes. What truly makes the Bichon Frise special is their hypoallergenic nature. People who suffer from dog allergies often find this breed much easier to live with. They produce less dander, which is the real cause of allergic reactions. Grooming is essential, though brushing several times a week keeps their coat clean, fluffy, and free from tangles. In temperament, the Bichon is playful, affectionate, and extremely people-oriented. They adore attention, love cuddles, and are always ready to entertain. They thrive in families, apartments, and even with first-time dog owners because they're adaptable and eager to please. The Bichon's cheerful nature has earned it the nickname, the happy breed. In the US, the Bichon Frise is often recommended for city dwellers and those with limited space. They don't need heavy exercise, a few short walks and some playtime each day will keep them fit and happy. Their small size and low shedding make them ideal for clean, allergy-friendly homes. So, if you're looking for a dog that combines charm, cleanliness, and companionship, the Bichon Frise might just be your perfect match. Number 5, the Portuguese Water Dog. At number 5, we have the Portuguese Water Dog, a breed made famous when the Obama family brought Beau and Sunny to the White House. These curly-coated dogs are not only beautiful but also incredibly low-shedding. Originally bred to work alongside fishermen in Portugal, they have waterproof, hypoallergenic coats that barely drop any hair. Their dense curls act as natural insulation, keeping them warm in cold water and cool in heat, but the real benefit for owners is that the coat doesn't shed like typical fur. A regular grooming routine every few weeks will keep them looking neat and prevent mats. Portuguese water dogs are energetic, loyal, and intelligent. They need daily activity, swimming, running, or playing fetch, and love being part of a family. They're especially good with kids and tend to bond deeply with their owners. Because of their working dog roots, they're eager to learn and respond well to training. For allergy sufferers or clean freaks, this breed is a dream come true. You won't find hair all over your home, and they have minimal odor compared to many other breeds. Their combination of loyalty, intelligence, and low maintenance makes them one of the best medium-sized hypoallergenic dogs you can own. If you want a family companion that's athletic yet affectionate, the Portuguese water dog is an incredible choice. Number 4, the Maltese. Elegant, gentle, and absolutely adorable, the Maltese is another breed that hardly sheds. Known for its silky white coat, this tiny companion dog has been treasured for centuries even by ancient royals. The Maltese doesn't have a double coat like many breeds, which means it doesn't shed fur around the home. Instead, the fine hair grows continuously and falls minimally, making them great for people with allergies. Don't let their size fool you, the Maltese has a bold and confident personality. They're playful, affectionate, and incredibly loyal. They love being near their humans and do well in apartments or small homes. Their low-shedding coat does require consistent brushing and occasional trims to keep it free of tangles, but they make up for that with their low odor and clean habits. Maltese dogs are known to live long, healthy lives and have excellent temperaments. They're alert but not aggressive, making them perfect for companionship rather than protection. USA pet owners love this breed for its combination of elegance and easy maintenance. If you're looking for a dog that brings love, warmth, and style to your life without bringing hairballs or allergies, the Maltese is a fantastic choice. Number 3, the Basenji. At number 3, we have the Basenji, famously known as the barkless dog. This ancient African breed is unique for many reasons, but one of the biggest is that it barely sheds. The Basenji's short, fine coat requires almost no grooming, and you'll never find fur stuck to your clothes or furniture. They are also naturally clean dogs. In fact, many owners compare their self-grooming habits to that of cats. The Basenji has very little odor, so you won't need frequent baths. They're the ultimate low-maintenance companion for busy or allergic households. Beyond their clean coat, Basenjis are known for their intelligence, independence, and energetic nature. They don't bark, but they make a variety of other sounds, from howls to yodels, which makes them fascinating and fun to live with. They need regular exercise and mental stimulation but are easy to care for overall. For people in the US who want a low-shedding, unique, and intelligent breed that doesn't create mess or noise, the Basenji checks all the boxes. They're perfect for active owners who appreciate personality and cleanliness in one package. Number 2, the Schnauzer, miniature, standard, and giant. Taking the second spot is the ever-popular Schnauzer, a breed that comes in 3 sizes but shares one fantastic trait: almost no shedding. With their wiry double coat, Schnauzers trap dead hair instead of dropping it all over your home. Regular brushing keeps their coat neat and minimizes allergens, making them great for people with mild sensitivities. Schnauzers are loyal, intelligent, and incredibly alert. Originally bred as farm dogs, they have strong protective instincts and make excellent watchdogs. But don't worry, they're also playful, affectionate, and thrive in family environments. In the US, Schnauzers are adored for being both clean and versatile. They adjust well to apartment life or large houses and are easy to train thanks to their sharp minds. They're also known for being almost odorless and drool-free, which adds to their clean reputation. Their signature look, the bearded muzzle and expressive eyebrows, gives them a distinguished appearance that stands out everywhere they go. If you're looking for a low-shedding dog that's loyal, smart, and full of personality, the Schnauzer is one of the best choices you can make. Number 1, the Shih Tzu. And at number 1, the ultimate low-shedding companion, the Shih Tzu. Despite their luxurious long coat, Shih Tzus are one of the least shedding dog breeds in the world. Their hair grows much like human hair, which means it stays attached rather than spreading across your home. Originally bred to live in royal palaces, Shih Tzus were designed to be charming, affectionate lapdogs, and they continue to live up to that legacy. They're playful but calm, making them ideal for families, seniors, and apartment dwellers alike. Their big, soulful eyes and affectionate personality melt hearts instantly. Shih Tzus require regular grooming to keep their coat smooth, but in return, they bring a hypoallergenic, low-odor, and low-shed presence to your life. They get along beautifully with kids and other pets and adapt easily to any lifestyle. For anyone searching for a dog that combines elegance, love, and cleanliness, the Shih Tzu is the ultimate pick. It's no wonder they've stayed one of America's most beloved small breeds for decades. And that wraps up our list of the top 7 dog breeds that don't shed much. From the intelligent Poodle to the elegant Shih Tzu, each of these breeds proves that you can enjoy the love of a dog without worrying about hair all over your home. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Wild Tally for more weekly pet guides, breed rankings, and animal facts from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time, right here on Wild Tally, where the wild meets the wonderful.